Hey folks, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax in Panama City Beach. I have an awesome opportunity for you to share with you this 2022 Grady-White 306 Canyon. Folks, this boat is like new. I'm excited to show it to you, and it is currently available. You'll see that it's in this beautiful celestial blue color, and it is powered with twin Yamaha 300 horsepower 4-stroke motors. So come aboard, let me show you all the good stuff. Okay everyone, here we are aboard this 2022 Grady-White 306 Canyon. And as I said before, it is powered with twin Yamaha 300 horsepower motors. You can see here on the transom, you can walk all the way through the transom here. Here's your walk-through door, your boarding door. Nice big swim ladder back there. Okay, you got a freshwater sprayer here. You can see the nice aft seating here that you can pull up and just get out the way. Plenty of room back here for fishing offshore. And folks, let me remind you, this boat is designed to go 60, 80, 100 miles offshore. This 30-foot Grady-White with our patented CV2 hull rides so smooth, cuts through the waves sharply, very super dry boat, and it's designed to go way offshore. And yet it's also designed just to go to spend the day at the island. You have all the amenities you need. You'll see it's got tow rails here for when you're doing that deep dropping, okay? It's got a teak cockpit step here that if you pull to this side of the dock, you can raise that out and step down on that step, as well as you'll see this nice, thick side door here. Some people call it a tuna door, okay? Notice the Grady-White thickness here, not that thin starboard type, okay? You can see you've got hot and freshwater wash down in the back. Huge fish box back here. As you look up here on the leaning post, this is your bait well, okay? You have a prep station here. Plenty of storage, tackle storage, okay? Plenty of rod holders, folks, on your hardtop here on the gunnels. As we make our way to the helm, you see the very nice appointed seats here. Storage here right in the middle. Now, what I'm also excited to show you is, folks, this boat is completely loaded. It's outfitted with everything you need for fishing or cruising day and at night. Why do I say night? It's equipped with twin 16 Garmin GPS sonar machines. You got your CL7 Yamaha display here that monitors your engines. Everything's right here at reach when you're driving the boat. It's equipped with the full maneuverability joystick, digital throttle and shift, Fusion stereo, phone charger here, Garmin VHF radio. It's also equipped with FLIR. For some of you that might not know what FLIR is, that is night vision. And I'll tell you, if you haven't experienced that, it takes boating to a whole nother level. When you're out on the water at pitch black dark night, if you're fishing or coming back in, being on the water all day, you can have one of your screens have that FLIR mode on and it looks like daytime. Pitch black dark on the water when you look out this way, but right here it looks like daytime. You can see everything. Storage everywhere, electronics box, storage up here for all your life vests. As we make our way forward to the bow of the boat, notice full wraparound windshield to protect you in the elements. But I really want to show you the size of the head down here. Full porcelain head, fully functional, teak accents, very nice head, okay? And as we keep moving forward, you'll see always has a grab handle, something to hold on to when you're moving through the water. Plenty of bow forward seating. You've got backrest that spin forward so you can be very comfortable for the ride or sitting out the island. Seating everywhere, folks. Of course, it has windlass anchor. You have your control up there at the helm is where your pads right here. Additional rod holders in the front. And also something I want to point out to, a couple of things. Notice how you have raw water and fresh water up front in the bow too. Why would you do that? Because if I'm fishing up front while everyone else is in the back, I can have a hose back here and spray down the boat up front. It also has, very importantly, in the transom, in the corners in the back of the boat, 2 electric reel plugs for those that like to fish offshore deep dropping. It also has the closed dome motion scope radar. Folks, this boat is fully loaded. It's an incredible opportunity for you to purchase this boat. Like I said, it is like new. It'd be my pleasure to show it to you, answer any questions you might have. You can reach me directly here at Panama City Beach MarineMax. Again, my name is Kenny Brown. You can call me at 850-596-8108. I look forward to talking to you, and remember, it's always about making memories on the water.